Hello guys and welcome back. So today we will learn about the editor, that is BI, also known as Vim Editor. As we know that in Linux system there are many editors we use, but VI and Vim Editor is by default and mostly used editor in Linux system. So today I will show you all the options we can use which you can use easily, and that will be a very helpful for you to edit any files and for modification, as well as I will elaborate every shortcuts how you can easily use VI and Vim editor in Linux system. So please keep watch this video till the end, and I hope this video will be very helpful. So without wasting time, so let's start it. So let me first open any particular file. So let me jump in one directory, that is opt ls. Let me create some file like fetch vi test.txt. And one more thing, if you are not subscribed this channel yet, so please subscribe and support this channel so that you can never miss an update of the new video which I upload. So let me check. So as you can see, my file has been created. Now let me open this with the help of Vim. You can either open this file by vi like this, vi and space and followed by file name. Where my file name is vi test.txt. Either you can also open in Vim. So this is the Vim. So the basic difference between the vi and Vim is that Vim is an advanced version that comes with an advanced feature, like it also includes some colors, and in simple words we can say that this is the enhanced version. If you know Vim, so you can also use VI editor. So now I'm opening this file with the help of Vim. So let me open. So let me create some. So before creating, I want to show you there are two modes in Vim editor that we use. The first is insert mode and the second is escape mode. So as you can see, by default when you open the file, so by default you will be in escape mode. To enter from escape mode into editor mode, you need to press I. So once I press I like this, so now as you can see that right now I am in insert mode, means now you can write anything on this file and you can also edit this file. So uh, let me add some text like my name is Amar, my my channel name is Tech. As you can see, I have write some text. So so this is my text. Let's say you have a lot of text in your edge depending on the file type. So there are a couple of options. So let's say you want, so now this is my insert mode. Let me come into the escape mode. To enter from insert mode to escape mode, you need to press escape key. So once I press escape key, now I am in escape mode. So here you can use navigation keys. So for navigation, either you can use ups and down key also, like this, ups, downs, left, right. Either you can also use like K moves cursor upline. So once you press K, so your cursor will upwards, and once you press J, so your cursor moves down like this. And once you press H, which is just near to the J, so your cursor moves to, since my cursor is already on the left, so it will not move. So, and once you will press left, so your cursor will go into the right direction. So this also the shortcut you should know. In simple terms, you can remember like this: HJKL. HJKL means K for upwards, J for downwards, H for left, and L for right. So this is very important. But the next option is 0. Once you press 0 in the escape mode, so your cursor will move at the beginning of the line. Let's say you at this somewhere in the position of line. Let's say you are writing here. So you quickly want to jump into the starting of the line. So one option you have like this: you can press the left arrow key. It will take a lot of time, but without this you can just simply press 0 key, so that will move cursor at the beginning of the line. So this is the important option you should know. Our next option is dollar. Dollar just opposite of this option. Once you press dollar, so you will dollar. So let me use dollar. So dollar you need to press like by pressing shift, because without shift you can't type dollar. Dollar option will move your cursor at the end of the line. Let's say right at the beginning of the line, your cursor is at the beginning of the line, and to write something at the end of the line. Let's say I want to write something at the end of the line. So for that, I just press shift dollar. So my cursor will move at the end of the line, and after going into the insert mode by pressing I, you can simply write something like this, and I am fine. So this is also a very good option you should know. Guys, VI editor is very easy. Just simple thing you should you only need to practice. Once you practice more, so you will uh, already like automatically will know all the options. So only just requirement is you need lot of practice. Just open any files and do practice. Our next option is W. W is position cursor to the next word. Let's say right now at channel. Let's say I am at channel. Once I press W, so my cursor will move just next to the word from the previous word. So if you want to move from one word to just next to the word, so you can press W in this case. Our next option is caps B. So remember this is caps W. Our next option is caps B. B is position cursor to previous verb. So let me try this like B. So B is just opposite. As W will move to the next word, similarly B will move to the previous word. So our next option is, let's say I'm at the mid of the line and I want to move. Let's say this is my sentence. Let's say this is my sentence, and I want the beginning of the sentence. So in that case, you just need to press braces. Braces will be a very helpful option. So just you need to press like shift and braces. Let's say I'm at the mid of the one sentence and I want to move at the of the sentence. So in that case, I will use braces, opening braces. So that will be the at the beginning. And similarly, for this, let's say I want to move at the top of the screen. So in that case, I will use caps H option. Caps H option will move to the top of the screen. So this is also a very, and let's say I'm at right now I'm of the screen, and let's say I want to move at the fourth line of my text file. So in that case, I will use like 4 and then capital H. I repeat, let's say now I'm at the beginning of the file and I want to move at fourth line of the text file. So in that case, I will just simply press 4 then H. So my cursor will move at the fourth line of the text. And similarly, if you want to move at the 10th of the like 10th line or whatever line, let's say you want 7th line, so in that case you will use 7 then H. So this is also a very good option, you should know. Next option is caps M. Caps M move to the middle of the screen. As H move to the top of the screen, let's say you want to the middle of the screen, so in that case M cap will use. Caps will be used at the middle of the line, middle of the screen. Let's say you have like 12 lines, so in that case you want to move at the middle of the screen. So you simply press caps and so your cursor will move at the middle of the screen. So like somewhere at the sixth line. So this is also a very good option. And L move to the bottom of the screen. Let's say you want to move at the bottom of the screen. So in that case you will use caps L. So caps L will move at the bottom of the line. This is very important. Say I write the sum of the lines in this text file. Let's say I want to write more text lines. So for that I need to move at the bottom of the line. So in that case my cursor should be at the bottom. So in that case you just simply press caps L. So my cursor will move at the downwards at the bottom and just simply go into the insert mode and I can start right again like more technical or whatever. I hope you are enjoying Vim Editor. So this is also a very good option. Our next option is NL. NL like a similar NH. Let's say you have 100 lines in your text file and you want like at the 90th line. So in that case, you will use N. N stands for number. Number you can just simply mention like 7 or 8 or as per your requirements. So let's say I want to move at 9, then caps L. So in that case, my cursor will move at the ninth. So that is the important options you should always remember. The option, let me elaborate. Let's say you want to delete something. Let's say I want to delete this line. So for that, you need to hit D double times like D double D for deletion. Let me press DD. So that will delete my one line. Let's say I want to undo last change. So for that case, I will use U. You will undo. So undo is the option for undo. So let's say I want to delete two lines. So for that case, you will use 2 then followed by double D. So in that case, my 2 line will be deleted. Let's say I want to delete 4 lines. So in that case, you will use 4 double D. So your 4 line will be deleted. And let's say I want to undo all the changes, which let's say unfortunately you have deleted something wrongly, so you want to recover that. So in that case, you have to press caps U. Caps U. Caps U is not working right now. So you can also press U 2 times, so that will also work. So undo is in that case you can use undo. Let's say you want to read content of line after cursor. Let's say my cursor is right and I want to delete I am fine. So in that case use D option only. So only D option will delete the lines just after the cursor. So here you need to give attention, like it will depending on your position. So it will delete the text line after your cursor position. Let's say I want to delete Vim Editor option. So in that case, will I will adjust my cursor position just before the Vim Editor and simply I will press caps D. So it will delete my line just after the uh, cursor position. One more important option is like let's say uh, right now let's say you are at the some were like at this position, and you want to delete only just three words in this line. In this line, you just want to delete only three words. So for that option, you can simply use 3DW. So it will delete the words, whatever words you will be mentioning. So these are the very important options you should always remember. Say you want to uh, save this file. So for that, you need to do the escape mode. For escape mode, you will press escape key. Then you need to press colon. One time colon, then W. This will this will save your text in this file. Let's say you want to quit. So for that, you need to press Q. So you will quit. Let's say I want to open again, and let's say I want to quit just after saving. For that, you will use W for save, Q for quit. Both options you can also use at the same time. So this will save as well as quit. Let me open once again. So let's say let's say you want to search something. You want to search some text in this file. So you for that you will use like the colon, then forward slash. Let's say I want to search happy. So it will give me the line. Similarly, let's say you want to search as well as replace that word. So for that case, you will use colon, then s, small s, then forward slash, then string, whatever string. Let's say I want to replace happy with healthy, like caps healthy. So this will replace my word. Since my happy is present more than one in this text file, so for that you need uh, to press another option. Let's say this is the option. Let's say I want to replace as like happy with healthy, so it will replace. So as you can see, my happy has been replaced with healthy. So this is the format: colon, small s, then the word which you want to replace and the word which you want to write in place of previous word. So this is the format you should remember. Let's say you want to replace, let's say you have 100 lines in your text file, and this happy word present 10 times in that file. So in for that case, this option will not work. You need to add another things here. So for that, this is the option. first you have to go into the escape mode, then press colon, then press percentage, small s, forward slash, the word which you want to replace. Let me replace Amar, and the word which you want to replace. Let's say I want to replace Amar with like YouTube. So my this option will replace the Amar with YouTube. It doesn't matter like how many times Amar is present in that text files, it will replace everywhere. So let me try. So now as you can see my Amar has been replaced with YouTube. So this is the format you should remember. So these are the some of the importance option in VI and Vim editor. You can also apply these same options in VI also. You can just simply open the same file with this place of Vim. You can just simply need to press VI. So if you have any doubt in this editor, you can comment me, so I will definitely provide my answers. So please provide your feedback, and I hope you enjoy this video and keep learning and keep watching. Thanks for learning and thanks for watching.